Okay guys, let's talk about how to install the Equity PropTector Expert Advisor to your chart, okay? Now, once you register, you will receive an email right here with your credential, okay? So with the password and stuff. So you copy the password. From here, from the email, you can go directly to the dashboard, where here you have to put actually your email. I will put first my password and the email. Okay, guys, log in, and here you have your dashboard. Okay, from here you can download actually the Expert Advisor folder with MT4 and MT5 Expert Advisor, and here you download the license. Okay, guys. Now, after download it, you have those files right here. Now, let's add the MT5 Expert Advisor to the chart. Inside that folder, you will find it right here, okay? With the extension MQL5 is for MT5. So you copy it, and now you go to the broker right here, file right here, open data folder. You have to find this MQL5 folder for MT4 Expert Advisor deal file. This file will be named MQL4. Okay, so you open it, and now we are installing the Equity PropTector Expert Advisor. So here you paste your Expert Advisor. Okay, again you close it, you go back to the folder, and now we have to install the license. Okay, guys, for the license, make sure that the license has this name right here. It do not have any of those extension. If you add one of those extension with 1, 2, 3, it will not work. Make sure to put this one with no extension name on it. Okay, so you copy it, this one, and you go back to the broker again, file, open data folder, MQL5. Find this folder right here, files, open it, and paste the Expert Advisor, the license right here. Okay, paste the license right here, and you can find it right here. Now you can close everything. You come back here, find this Expert Advisor name right here, do the left click, right click, and then refresh. Once you refresh it, you will find, scroll down a little bit, you will find your Equity PropTector Expert Advisor right here. Now, you have to drag and drop to the chart, okay? Make sure to check this one, and check also algo trading, okay? Do your settings right here, and okay. All right. Now, after doing that, we already add the Expert Advisor to the chart. After doing that, come here to Tools, Option, and make sure that to enable these things, okay? This DDL import and algo trading. Okay, all right. Now, what is going on? From the dashboard, it's saying that trading is not allowed today. It's red because it's not allowed to trade on Saturday. So if I want to turn that on, I just have to come here and put through. You will see that here, okay, the daily, okay, I have to fix something right here, the number of trade of the day. I put a number a bit bigger. And now it's allowed to trade. Okay, that's how to insert or to put your expert advisor to the chart. Okay, now let's see the MT4 expert advisor, how to do it. Now I come back to this Equity PropTector folder. Now I have to copy the file with the extension EX4. Okay, I copy it and go to the broker right here and do file, open data folder, MQL4 experts, and paste it right here. Okay, then I close it. Now we have to add the license, so I have to copy this one again, the broker, file, open data folder, MQL4 files, and paste it right here. Okay, now I close it, I come here, I find this part right here, expert advisor, I do the left click, then right click and refresh. After that, I will find my expert advisor right here. So now I drag and drop on the chart. Okay, guys. So my settings, I do my settings according to my trading style. Okay. All right. Now, after adding the expert advisor to the chart, I come here on tools, options. I have to make sure that those are on. Okay. This DDL import and allow automated trading. Okay. Okay, guys. This is how to install actually the expert advisor to the chart. You will have another video where we are going through all the feature of the expert advisor. So trade safe and take care. Ciao.